Today we're making Hwachae again. I loved it so much yesterday, so I want to make it again with a couple different varieties of fruits and just one jello. This is what you'll need. A nice container for your punch, a knife, a cutting tool or any different cutting tool, different types of fruits or berries. I'm using watermelon, strawberries, peach or nectarine, and one jello. You can use any type of fruit jello, but I just love Sour Patch Kids jello. And you'll also need some Sprites and some milk. And a little thing to mix your punch up. First I'm gonna add the watermelon. Juicy watermelon. Next, strawberries. These are really juicy strawberries. Now for the peach. You can also use mangoes. Mangoes taste delicious. I love peaches. Now for the jello. I'm going to cut up the jello into really tiny slices like these. So satisfying, oh my gosh. You want to cut them up real small. This is so satisfying. Okay. We're ready. Now look at this. Whoa, that was so satisfying. Okay, we've got all of our things in. Now for the Sprite. Hear that? My gosh! Whoa! Did you see that? I want to add some more. Cool. Okay. Now for milk. Time to mixy. Whoa, it's so colorful. Yesterday I added ice cubes, but today I'm just gonna refrigerate it and then drink it after. The jelly is gonna leave out all its blue color and make it look blue, because now it looks kind of like a light pinky white color. Later it's gonna be like a blue. Delicious. Look at all those rainbow colors.